McKenzie here with Invisible Bead Extensions. You guys, I have a special guest with me today. Can you tell? This is my mother. I'm so excited because my beautiful mother right here, can I tell your age? Sure. You guys, my mom's 70. 70. Incredible, right? She actually has great hair, in my opinion, but she has a lot of health problems that is really kind of exaggerating hair loss for her. She has leukemia. She also has issues with thyroid. Do we want to get into it? We'll just do a few. We'll just keep it at a few. But this beautiful woman, I'm going to just give her a little bit of a little pick-me-up today. So what I wanted to talk about is really how cool extensions, especially invisible bead extensions, can be for all ages. We've seen it over the past year with IBE and how they are exclusively for everybody. Okay, and so I wanted to show today because a lot of times we have this misconception that extensions are only for, a certain age group, like girls in their 20s, 30s with the long mermaid hair. But really, when IBE is done correctly, it can be comfortable and seamless for anybody. So I wanted to show that today. We're gonna do one row on my beautiful mother. We're gonna be using 3 wefts because she doesn't need a lot of weight. She can't handle a lot of weight. She is a little bit more fragile. She gets headaches when her hair is in a ponytail, all that stuff. So we're just kind of gonna test it today. We're gonna do just a little bit light, but we wanna fill out her ends a little bit, give her a little bit more volume, give her the ability to hold curl. So stay tuned. Her one row installed, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I cut and blend it. She does have a little bit of length there, but we're gonna pretty much make it even with where her normal length is. And just a quick tip, I like to go to my razor for this because I feel like it gives you a really organic blend and doesn't look like she just had extensions, and she doesn't want that look. I mean, who does? So I really like to go to my razor, use a fresh razor every time, and we're really just gonna blend that out so it looks seamless and beautiful and natural. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. Again, we did one row of invisible bead extensions. I did only 3 wefts, and it looks incredible, don't you think? I put a little wave in it, and you cannot tell. And you guys, she legit can't feel them. Like every step I took, I'm like, can you feel it? Does it hurt? Do you have a headache? How are we doing? Because she is very sensitive to all of that. Nothing. She can't feel it. So I'm really, really excited. I hope you guys can use this and see that invisible bead extensions, again, is for everyone. Extensions are for anyone. Any woman who wants to just add a little bit, whether it's for confidence, whether it's for functionality, we got you with IBE. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, share, subscribe.